Good morning, friends, and Merry Christmas Eve. Today we are going to be going through the days leading up to today, Christmas. And we went and saw some lights, we baked cookies, we made a yummy casserole just in time for a little Christmas Eve brunch today. And yeah, so let's start off the day with some coffee. All right, so we're going to start off this casserole by browning up some breakfast sausage. And yeah, we're going to do a biscuit, egg, cheese, and breakfast sausage casserole. So that's the first step. And then you're going to cut up your canned biscuits. You can make homemade if you want to, but it's just as good to use the canned. All right, and then the next step is to just beat up the eggs, the milk, and the seasonings, which is just salt and pepper. And then you're going to pour it over after you've layered the biscuit, the sausage, the cheese, and then pour over that egg mixture you just made. And then we moved on to make these really yummy. It's cake batter, pumpkin. You can do chocolate chips, you can do walnuts, whatever you want inside of it. But we just did some sprinkles and chocolate chips. And then when they're all done and cooled, you put a homemade glaze over them. Super yummy. And it was kind of just something we made up. And this is a look at the breakfast casserole all done. It was super yummy. I had quite a few of my cranberries and orange slices from our dinner party, so I wanted to use that for a potpourri. It was so wonderful, and it just made the kitchen smell so nice with all of the fragrances from the cookies as well. So I just added a bit more cinnamon into the pot with some water, and then just added in these and let them cook all day on low. We made a little to-go bag for our postal carrier. And then this is a look at all the cookies we made. We stuck with a lot of chocolate chip variations with M&Ms and oatmeal. And then we were off to making some sugar cookies for Santa. So we will decorate those today on Christmas Eve. The cookies all packed up, some presents to deliver, and these are the little neighbor gifts with homemade cookies. And then my mom, I made her a batch to take back after we get her tomorrow. All right, and then we spent the evening going to Magic of Lights, which is a light show in our area. And here's a look at it.
Hey you guys, it's the Magic of Lights today, and we're going to be doing it, and all she says, help. I'm tall. What happened? Why did the lights off? Breaks and enters, draws a picture of him, I guess, jumps out of the flaming, oh gosh. Oh, it's the day for Christmas.
Yes.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a person. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a rando jumping. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me another rando singing. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a rando hitting a drum. Oh, there's 12 of them? 12 randos drumming? 14th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a flamingo with a Santa hat. On the 8th day, whatever.
Come on. No, that's Santa's on his way.
My bear!
Oh, a parrot.
My bear!